When it comes to becoming wealthy, there are 8 money traps that rich people avoid. Social media and popular culture often portray the wealthy as indulging in unlimited spending. Flashy cars, sprawling mansions, endless vacations, and extravagant shopping sprees. But here's the truth. The wealthy don't build their fortunes by being careless with their money. In fact, the truly wealthy are often meticulous about how they spend and how they invest. So if you're more interested in just showing off a glamorous lifestyle than building actual lasting wealth, this video might not be for you. But if you're ready to begin to lay the groundwork for a prosperous future, then these 8 personal finance tips can help set you on a path to financial freedom and success. 1. Prioritize quality over quantity. Here's a surprising fact. Wealthy people often spend less in the long run because they buy fewer but higher quality items. Instead of chasing fleeting trends or indulging in short-lived fads, they focus on durability and practicality. The clothing industry is infamous for its fleeting trends. What's in fashion today can become obsolete in just weeks or months. So chasing these ever-changing fads often leaves people with closets packed with items that quickly lose their appeal, fueling a cycle of endless consumption and waste. This habit not only strains your finances, but also results in significant spending on clothing that soon becomes irrelevant. In contrast, the wealthy tend to prioritize timeless pieces that offer lasting value. Their focus on durability and longevity is a smart investment strategy, minimizing the need for constant replacement or repairs. This principle doesn't just apply to fashion, it applies to all things, from furniture to electronics. By choosing enduring items, the wealthy enjoy functionality and style that stands the test of time, all while embracing practicality, sustainability, and thoughtful spending. The lesson here? Spending wisely upfront can save you money and resources over time, aligning your sustainability and strategic financial growth. 2. Be wary of overpriced homes. Owning a dream home is an aspiration for many, but it's also a common financial trap. For most, a home is the most significant purchase they'll ever make, and the costs don't stop after closing. Property taxes, maintenance, insurance, and unexpected repairs can drain your finances. If you pour all of your savings into a house, you limit your ability to invest elsewhere. Instead, consider this. Rent strategically to save for better investment opportunities, or purchase a home below your means, allowing you to build wealth through other avenues. Even rental properties can turn into income streams if managed well. The wealthy understand that the value of the home isn't in its luxury, but in its ability to work for them financially. 3. Invest in what you understand. When it comes to investments, knowledge is power. Many wealthy individuals follow the principle of investing only in what they understand. Take Warren Buffett, for example. Known for his aversion to complex tech companies, he focuses on businesses like Coca-Cola and Gillette, brands with straightforward operations he can easily analyze. This strategy saved him during the dot-com bubble when many lost fortunes on speculative tech stocks. The takeaway? If you don't fully grasp how a company operates, it's better to steer clear. Instead, invest in sectors you know or take the time to educate yourself before diving in. 4. Avoid overpriced luxury items. Let's talk about luxury items. Designer clothes, handbags, shoes, and automobiles, the kind of stuff that tempts many people. It's easy to assume that wealthy people are all about splurging on these high-end brands, but the reality is that most of them are incredibly smart with their money, even when it comes to luxury. They've cracked the code on when to spend and when to save. The truth is that many luxury brands are usually more about the name than about better quality. So you can often find items of similar quality for a fraction of the price. The wealthy know this, and they don't fall for the trap of spending just to impress others. Instead, they focus on what they truly need and what will bring them lasting value. Here's another surprising fact. Not all millionaires have closets overflowing with luxury brands. Many of them prefer to prioritize value over labels, with some even shopping at thrift stores to find hidden gems while saving money. It's not about denying themselves luxury altogether, it's about knowing when to indulge and when to skip the splurge. So, the next time that you're tempted by a shiny new designer item, take a moment and ask yourself, do you really need it? Or can you find something equally amazing for less? Chances are your wallet will thank you, and so will your long-term financial goals. 5. Curb impulse purchases. Have you ever grabbed an item off a shelf just because it said on sale? Impulse purchases might seem harmless at first, but they add up over time. Retail stores are masters at creating a sense of urgency. Limited time deals, extended warranties, or flashy advertisements designed to make you buy on the spot. For example, that discounted appliance might not be such a great deal if it wasn't in your budget or on your priority list to begin with. Wealthy individuals are intentional with their spending. They often delay purchases when possible, make lists, and reflect on whether the item aligns with their financial goals. Adopting this mindset can save you thousands over time. 6. Skip the latest tech. Every year, tech companies release shiny new gadgets promising groundbreaking features. But do you really need the latest smartphone, especially when last year's model works perfectly fine? Wealthy individuals avoid excessive gadget upgrades. Instead of chasing the newest release, they focus on using technology that meets their needs without breaking the bank. By resisting the temptation to upgrade constantly, they free up resources for investments that grow their wealth. Remember, owning the latest tech might feel exciting for a moment, but building long-term financial security is far more rewarding. 7. Cut back on TV and subscriptions. Surprisingly, wealthy people aren't spending their days binge-watching TV. A study by Thomas Corley in Rich Habits found that most wealthy individuals actually limit their screen time, using that time instead to focus on personal development, networking, and building their businesses. When they do indulge, it's often through minimalist subscriptions rather than bloated cable packages with hundreds of unused channels. By cutting back on unnecessary entertainment expenses, they channel their resources towards more meaningful pursuits. 8. Limit alcohol consumption. Drinking might seem like a harmless way to unwind, but overindulgence can have hidden costs, financially, physically, and professionally. Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and many other successful individuals avoid alcohol, often citing the need to maintain clarity and focus. Alcohol not only drains your wallet, but also your productivity and your health. By skipping expensive nights out, you can invest in education, skills, or ventures that push you closer towards financial freedom. Remember that building wealth isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being strategic. You can enjoy life's luxuries, but only after you've secured your financial foundation. The ultimate reward of wealth isn't just the material perks, but the freedom to live life on your own terms. So start now. Make thoughtful choices with your money, focus on growing your assets, and let the habits of the wealthy help to inspire your journey. By adopting these principles, you'll be well on your way to a prosperous future. Share your thoughts below. What steps are you taking to align your spending with your financial goals? If you enjoyed today's video, then like and subscribe. And if you want to learn about the 5 best income-producing assets for beginners, then check out this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.